Hi everyone, Shell here, and today I'm sharing with you this delightful Mother's Day bouquet filled with cake pops and chocolate covered strawberries. So if you enjoy things like this, stick around and watch me put it together. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you'll be notified when I upload more videos like this in the future. So let's put a bouquet together. So the first thing I'm going to do for our bouquet is make some flowers, and I'm going to make just a few of the pink, and just going to squeeze my melted chocolate in there. And then I'll just tap it just to make sure it gets all down in those grooves. And then I'm going to do a few of the black as well. And same thing with that. And then we'll just put these aside and let them set. Now here I have 6 cake balls that I've rolled out for the cake pops that are going to go in the bouquet. And this is just some confetti cake. And here I have 6 nice sized strawberries, since we're going to do a combination of cake pops and strawberries. So I'm going to start by putting my sticks in them, and I've just got some 6-inch cake pop sticks here. So I am going to just dip that into my white chocolate. And just put that in about halfway. And just sit that in the holder so it can set. And I'm just going to do the same thing with the other 5. Okay, so for the strawberries, I have some skewers, and these are cut at about 8 inches. And I'm going to do the same thing with these. I like to put a little bit of chocolate on the tips just to secure it inside the strawberry. Okay, so we're just going to let those set up for a minute, and then we'll start dipping. Okay everyone, so for our dipping, for my dipping, I like to have something that's kind of skinny and deep, just so that my chocolate can be at the highest point, so that I can dip it quick and simple and just stick it in and pull it right back out. So I've moved my melted chocolate to just a couple of little mason jars, and these are the perfect size for doing this. So I'm gonna start dipping, and I'm gonna do some in the white and some in the pink, and then we'll have pink and black accents on them. So here, I'm gonna need both of these now. So I'm gonna start with the cake pops, and I'll just do 3 in the pink and 3 in the white. And again, with this, you wanna do just one quick motion and just dip it in and pull it back out, and just shake off your excess chocolate. And if you see any little air bubbles pop up, you can use a toothpick and pop those. I'm not really going to worry about those because I'm going to be decorating these with the other colors. So you just want to shake it until that drip starts to break, and then you know you've got the majority of it off. And I just like to kind of twirl it a little bit, maybe even tap it down for a minute so that that chocolate on top settles evenly. Okay, we'll let that dry and go on with the others. Okay guys, so our cake pops are done. So we're gonna let those set, and then we're going to move on to our strawberries. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do 3 of them in the white and 3 of them in the pink. Okay guys, so our cake pops and strawberries are dipped. So we're gonna give them a few minutes and let them set, and then we'll come back and do some decorating. Okay, so we're ready to do some decorating, and I've got my pink and black flowers and waiting on a few more of those. And I've also got some diamond dust by Sugar Art. This is the rose gold. I do want to try this on the pink and just kind of see what kind of color it'll give us. And I've got the light pink also by Diamond Dust, as well as some pearl dust and light pink. And this is actually a chocolate powder, colored chocolate powder. And I'll link all those in the description box below in case you like those and you want to try some. All right, so I'm gonna start with a swirl on the cake pop, and this is just made kind of in an S shape or pattern on the pop. It's a little tricky to do, and you definitely have to have a steady hand for it, which I don't have the steadiest hand in the world, so we're gonna see how it comes out. But and of course, if you squeeze too hard when you do this, your lines will kind of come out squiggly. You can always practice, and if you want to try it, but it's just kind of a small loop and then around an S pattern and then a loop again. Okay, so our strawberries and cake pops are decorated, and we're gonna give them a minute for that chocolate to set real well, and then I'm gonna dust them with some diamond dust. Okay, so we're gonna give our strawberries and cake pops a little dusting, and then we'll be ready to package these up. Okay, so now we're gonna package these up, and I just want to share with you here, I found these adorable little popcorn boxes on Amazon, and this is what I'm gonna be using for the base of the bouquet. And I just put some of the green styrofoam in there, the soft foam, and I put it maybe about 2/3 of the way, because I want to, I want to be able to put my cake pops and strawberries down in there pretty good. So, and I've covered it with saran wrap just to keep that foam away from the food. Okay. Okay, and now I'm gonna take a little bit of tulle. If y'all have seen my previous videos, you know I'm a big fan of tulle. So, and I'm gonna get a skewer and pop some tulle in there to fill in that those bare areas. So here's our finished Mother's Day bouquet with our cake pops and our strawberries. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so you'll be notified when I upload more videos like this in the future. Thank you for your support. See you next time.